Class, question number 4 is round off to the nearest 100. What number can be estimated as 2300? It means class, for nearest 100 you have to estimate those numbers which are nearest to 2300. What is the meaning of that, class? First you just concentrate on 300. So find those numbers which are nearest to 100 of this 300. So if I'm talking about 200 and 300, so this is 250. So class, including 250, so from 250 to 299, so these numbers belongs to 300. So this is your first answer. Also class, if I am talking about between 300 and 400, this is 350. So 301 to 349, these number also belongs to 300. So class, for this number your answer is for 2300. For nearest 100 your answer is numbers from 250 to 299. So numbers from 250 to 299, and also numbers 300 from 301 to 349. So class, how to write this? Number from 250 to 249 means 250 to 299. So these numbers are very near to 2300. And also from 301, it means 2301 to 2349. So these number also belongs to 2300. So these two are your answer: 2250 to 2299 and 2301 to 2349. So these all number are near to 2300, which belongs to this nearest 100. So class, find nearest 1000. So for 1000 class, you only concentrate on ones, tens, hundred and 1000. So this is the number in which you concentrate. So 8500 is there. So class, 8500 is always between 8000 and 9000, and this is your 8500. So you all know this is the half of these two. So definitely half normally goes to the next one. So it means it belongs to 9000. So your answer is 41. You just write like this, and in the place of 8500 you have to write 9000, 9000. So 41900 is your answer. The next is question number 10. 2565680. So in this time ones, tens, hundred and thousand, so you only concentrate on 5680. So it's 5000 and this is 6000, because your number 5680 belongs to 5000 and 6000. So what is the middle part? 5500. And you know class, 5500 is middle part, so 5680 definitely belongs to this place. So it belongs to 6000. So 2565680 means 256, you have to write like same, and in the place of 5680 you have to write 6000, 6000. So in the place of 5680 you have to write 6000. Class, next question is question number 6. What numbers will be rounded off to each of the following 1000? It means class, this is your 1000 number 8000. So you have to find those numbers which are rounded off as 8000. So definitely some numbers are less than 8000 which are rounded off 8000, and some numbers are greater than 8000. So first we are talking about the numbers between 7000 and 8000. So this is the middle part, 7500. So definitely class, your half is also going to the next one. So 7500 also round off as 8000 and accept that. so many numbers which comes after 7500 all are round off as 8000. So number from 7500 to 7999, all the numbers round off as 8000 in this number, and some numbers are also which are greater than 8000, those also round off as 8000. So we are taking 8000 and 9000, this is your half. So you all know your half belongs to the next one. So definitely this 8500 not belongs to 8000 because it belongs to this. So number from 8001 to 8499 till 8499, because after that 8500 is there and that belongs to 9000. So these number belongs to 8000. So round off all these numbers are 8000. So our answer is number from 7500 to 7999 and number from 8001 to 8499. So class, our number is 6800. So we have only concentrate on 8000. So our answer is 6, and in the place of 8000 we can write 7500 to 6 7999, and second answer is 8001 to 8499. And class, question number 7 is give the estimation to the nearest 10, nearest 1000 and nearest 100. So I am taking question number 3rd, 9265. So if I want to calculate the nearest 10, for that we have to concentrate only on 2 digit. I told you earlier. So it's 65. So 65 is between 60 and 70, and you all know 65 belongs to next one. It means 70. So 65 turns to 70. So our answer is 9265, and in the place of 9265 we can put 92. In the place of 65 we can put 70. So this is nearest to 10. If I am talking about nearest to 100, we are concentrating on 265. So 265 means class, it's between 200 and 300, and 250 is the middle part, and 265 is comes after this 250. So definitely it belongs to 300. So in the place of 265 we can write 300. So our number is 9. In the place of 265 put 300. 9300. And at last nearest 1000, it's 9265. So definitely this 1000 number is between 9000 and 10,000, and 9265 is before the half of this 9500. So definitely it belongs to 9000. So our number is 9000.